was finally able to build a shelf for my new operations command center. Put some cardboard up as some walls, and I'm covering it with some white paper. For now, I'll probably replace it at another point, but this is what I have to work with so far. After covering all the walls, it looked pretty nice. Like I said, I'll probably find something else to cover the walls with. I was testing out some ideas with the main computer screen, and I put some maps on the wall above the desk. I have this small light I put up above it to light the scene up more. I think it does a pretty good job. So far, it's looking good. I was trying to figure out some sort of command center. I probably will change this area here. I was just test fitting a few things and testing some ideas out and seeing what might work. I really like the look of this, these blocks of wood. Kind of considering, at this point I was considering making it a server rack. I have a few of these little boxes that I'm going to that I was thinking of putting around areas and using them for little consoles. I decided to totally change up the computer wall. So I'm going to make a wall section that has a desk and then the large computer screen, the digital frame, go above it. I'm just going to duct tape everything together because I plan to just cover this in the silver tape to keep that theme going. I have this box I wanted to put the server unit in, and then this other box, I'm not really sure what it's going to be for, but I just wanted more dimension to this. And then I'll just cover this with the silver tape to keep that theme going. I really liked how the desk part turned out. Still playing with a few other ideas. This kind of looked cool, but I decided to go a different route. I changed up the server rack a little bit and put larger Jenga blocks up here towards the top, and then a few smaller ones. And then the digital photo frame still fits on the little nails I had for the last thing I made. This thing will be some sort of other unit. My original plan was to just color these Jenga blocks with a Sharpie marker. This is a acrylic marker that I got for Christmas. I have a set of these. When I started doing this, I realized how long it was going to take to do this. So I changed my mind, and I decided to go with black paint, since that's also something I just got for Christmas. I'm not too worried about complete coverage on these because they are going to be covered with stickers, and then the sides would be covered. It took a few coats, but after they dried, they turned out pretty nice. I used some of the super glue tape, T-Rex super glue tape, to hold these in place. The T-Rex tape held pretty well, and then I put an extra piece of duct tape on the back of it so you won't see it when it's in the box. And before I put it in the box, I wanted to put some stickers on it, so I printed out some graphics. I put some T-Rex tape on the side of it, so when I put it in the box, it'll stay in the box. And that worked out really well. So I have some of the sticky back foam stuff. I'm going to print out some more graphics and put it on the sticky back stuff. That way it sticks out a little bit. I also took apart this phone, and I'm going to use some of its pieces in this build. There's this really cool looking round speaker and two microphone things. I also popped out the plexiglass thing and colored it from behind, and I thought this would be a cool addition to part of the control console. I think this turned out really nice. I put the cord to the digital photo frame kind of around the back and covered it a little bit. The server rack turned out really nice, and with the foam backing on some of these graphics, I think it'll look really cool. I used binder clips to hold it into place, a little bit of duct tape, give it a little extra strength so that it won't fall over. I think this turned out really cool. I really like the way it looks, and it's going to be a great addition to my photo stories. I plan to continue building this operations command center out, so I think it's going to be a great addition to my future photo stories. Well, let me know what you think. Got any additional ideas? I eventually want to swap out the ground covering for something better, but I could do that later. I might also get some more LED lights to add to this. Maybe light it up in different ways. But that's something I could do down the road. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel grow and tells the algorithm that my channel is important. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.